Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with the platform. Symphonic Distribution offers a modern approach to music distribution, providing a suite of tools and services designed to empower independent artists and labels. Beyond simply getting your music onto streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, Symphonic provides a deeper level of control and insight into your releases. Their platform emphasizes data analysis, allowing you to track your performance across various platforms and gain a better understanding of your audience. One key feature that sets Symphonic apart is its focus on direct artist payments. This streamlined approach can help accelerate royalty payments and provide greater transparency into your earnings. They also offer a variety of additional services, including video monetization, playlist pitching, and marketing support, designed to help artists expand their reach and build their careers. Symphonic's emphasis on technology and innovation is evident in their user-friendly interface and robust reporting features. They strive to provide artists with the tools they need to navigate the complexities of the modern music industry and achieve success on their own terms. For artists seeking a more hands-on approach to distribution, Symphonic presents a compelling alternative to more traditional distributors. Their commitment to transparency, data-driven insights, and artist empowerment makes them a valuable partner for independent musicians and labels looking to take control of their careers. While they cater to a broad range of genres, they seem particularly well-suited for electronic music and other niche genres, offering specialized support and marketing strategies tailored to these specific communities. By combining robust distribution with a focus on artist development, Symphonic aims to be more than just a distributor. They aim to be a true partner in an artist's journey. Ultimately, if you're seeking a distribution platform that offers more than just the basics, Symphonic is definitely worth exploring.